In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from your iPhone 13 to Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Android device you have, you can easily transfer your data from an iPhone device. Even if you have already set up the Android smartphone, you can still transfer over all of the data related to your photos, videos, your gallery, your applications, and so on. So in order to start this process, first, if you want to use iCloud to do this transfer, you have to perform a manual backup before proceeding. If you don't intend on using iCloud and you have a USB cable available, I would recommend using that instead. In that case, you can skip ahead in this video, but if you want to use iCloud to perform the backup, go into the settings on your iPhone, tap on your Apple ID at the top, and then you will find iCloud settings. In here, you can see all of the data that is currently being backed up into iCloud. So double check, ensure that everything that you want to have transferred over is ticked on, and anything that you don't want to transfer is ticked off. It doesn't really matter if something is ticked off, if you don't care about it, but it's important to check everything that you want to have transferred over, such as the contacts, for example. So once you enable everything that you would like to have transferred over, perform a manual backup. So tap on the option iCloud Backup here. You will see the date in which the last backup was performed, and you can perform a manual backup right now. So choose this option, and once the backup is done, you can now start the process on your Android device. All that you have to do is go into the settings and find Accounts and Backup. In here, you will find the option to transfer data for device setup. This might be under a different name, or if you are still going through the setup process because it is the first time that you powered on that smartphone, there will also be an option for you to transfer data from all devices. They are going to offer the main option, which is to use a USB cable like I mentioned. So if you have a spare USB cable, connect both devices together and you can start filtering what data will be transferred. Alternatively, choose the option to use iCloud at the bottom. So select whichever one you prefer. Once you select this option, you can now choose what data is going to be transferred. So stuff like your contacts, messages, applications, data from iPhone apps, and so on. Select all of these, proceed, and you will be able to receive all of your data on your new Android smartphone. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data from iPhone 13 to Android. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.